This is a snare, and this is a very lucky badger.
This trap is used by the Department of Agriculture to snare badgers as part of its bovine TB eradication programme. Wildlife experts describe it as indiscriminate and dangerous.
Steel cable like that, animal goes in, it pulls all the way tight, and the animal can't get away. I can barely get my hand into it, so you can imagine the damage that does to a fox or a badger or even a missing family pet.
The journal Investigates found that more than 80% of badgers killed and tested under the scheme in the past 5 years were free of TB. Yet last year, a record number of badgers were culled after being snared in the restraints, which wildlife responders say can cause serious injuries, including internal bleeding and organ trauma. The Department of Agriculture maintains that these traps are a necessary tool in controlling TB spread from badgers to cattle and are only used under strict regulations. This badger, rescued by Kildare Wildlife Rescue, survived.
We gave her a full assessment and kept her in for observation to make sure she didn't have any constriction injuries, toxicity in there, or internal bleeding. When she was fully healthy, we returned her back into the set.
Despite mounting scientific and public opposition, thousands of badgers continue to be caught and killed each year. Read our latest investigation on the jrnl.ie.